Hey everyone, Pam, and I run the Canva Creations with Pam on Facebook. I have membership, the Template Treehouse, and the Canva Clubhouse. All right, kind of, fun there. But anyways, I am creating social media posts and I use Bulk Crate. It is a time saver. I know I talk about Bulk Crate a lot, but I haven't made a video for a bit. So I just kind of want to show you guys. I am creating it's 30 posts, but 4 different categories. So I want to kind of show you how I'm doing that in time saving, okay? So the first category is business planning and productivity. I have like 10 tips, okay? So then I put in here daily tip and then what the tip is. All of my design right here is just shapes and effects. This one up here is an effect and it's just the background right over here under styles, background, and then you can pick your color. And of course I picked brand color. And then I don't really mess with this. It just seems to work for me right now, but you can play with it. All right, then this is just text, and then what's behind it is just another shape with, let's ungroup it so I can show you. All right. This is just a shape. It is a rounded one. Well, it's a square, but or not a square, but like you pick the square or you pick either one of these ones and then you do the rounding, see how it's all the way to 89, and then border style 3. And then of course the border color. So that is all what messing it up already. And then put this back. Okay, and then this is just text. These 2 boxes are just shapes. I put the white one and then the black one just to give it a little bit of oh, depth. Okay, and then a logo. That is it. And I'm going to do this for every single one of them. So I'm not designing anything special, not doing any 3D or anything like that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the bulk crate, what the time saver is. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to close. So I'm going to go to apps. And first thing you need to do is design this. Design your first image because what we're going to do is we're not changing this. We're not changing this and then but we are changing this, so that's what we need to change throughout the whole thing, and this is the easiest way to do it. Okay, instead of copy and paste. Now you can do that, but I'm going to show you a quick way. All right, so let's go ahead, head to apps. You're going to type in bulk create, and let me tell you, it's not going to come down. It's not going to be in this little area at all. So just click and then it will pop up right here. It's very basic. And then, yes, you can do CSV files if that works for you. You just go to upload data, same process, but this is super easy for me to just copy and paste from, ChatGPT or my other resources I have. So let's go ahead and we're going to clear the table. Okay, I'm going to go over to my ChatGPT where I have my info, and I'm just going to copy those right now. And I really like it because I have trained ChatGPT enough that it knows my business, so it will give me stuff that I know. Like LastPass, I have LastPass. I have a dashboard. There's just things that it knows about me. So it is not taking from just random people. It also is taking from what I've put in ChatGPT about my business. Okay. All right. So then we're going to go back to Canva, and I'm just going to click on the number 1 and I'm going to paste. And then I'm going to put a tip right here and I'm going to go done. Okay. So it's going to bring me back here. And then I am going to need to connect these to this right here. And it usually pops up with the connect data right up top here. And you just connect. And you'll see that it's connected when purple, purple, and purple. Okay, and purple. All right, so now it's time to go ahead and do this. And one thing that I recommend is putting in your longest tip or saying or quote and have it all lined up, not all the way to the ends here, but just lined up nicely. And then that way, all the other ones that are not as long will kind of, you won't have to do too much adjustments. It's what I'm trying to say. So let's go ahead and continue. And what's going to happen is it's going to give me, I only had 10 in there because of this one, but you can do as many as you want. Like people do 100, people do 200. That's a lot, but hey, it time saving. All right. Okay, so I'm going to go right here. I'm going to go continue. And then it's asking me all this that I want to do. And I'm like, yes. So let's generate those 10 designs. Okay. And I actually, let's see here. They kind of just lined up very nicely because I did the very longest one first. Okay, I like this. Okay, so now I have these. These are, I'm going to put up here so I know which ones they are so I can schedule these out. And then I'm going to put too many ends. And then I'm going to put the month because these are going to be in February. Okay. And I only use two colors, two of my brand colors, and it's very simple here. Okay, everything looks great, and so these are ready. And then now on to the next one. And this is how I'm going to do this one. I'm going to go to my project page because when you go to the Canva homepage, it's just too much. So I am going to grab just the one, and now I'm going to do the next section. Okay, so we're going to go to ChatGPT. I am going to go to digital file and organization. I am going to copy and paste that. I'm going to put this here because that's the category. And then I kind of like this a little bit on top of that. So I'm going to put that back there. Probably fix the other ones. It was probably me just moving things around. Okay. And then I'm going to change the colors because I don't want these to be the same as the other bundle. So I'm going to go blue on here and then yellow. I'm going to change the yellow to orange. Yeah, I think that's what I want to do. And then since this is the effect, I have to go up here and up here. There you go. Now, if I don't like that, I don't really like that, I'm going to keep it yellow. So that's probably what I'll do. All the categories in yellow and just switch out these two colors because I like this flow of colors. All right. So then I have the category, daily tip, and now we're going to make these bundles. This bundle. Okay. So I'm going to copy and paste from what I got from ChatGPT, and please change it up if it doesn't, fit your ideas, whatever you want to say. I usually do that after I get it all completed and then I go through each one. All right, so actually, remember, let's go grab the one that is the longest first. come in here and just make sure that it's all lined up. And then I do no bold right there. Okay, so yeah, I think that is good. That's a good thing. So then we go back to chat, do the copy and paste for all of them. Go back to apps, bulk create. Remember, it will pop up. There we go. Enter data, clear table. Tip, paste, bam, done. Okay, then we have to, and it's already connected because I did it with the planning one. So it's already there for it. It's like a template. Okay. And then I'm going to continue. And then all of them are in there. And then we're going to generate those. Okay, perfect. Okay, and then now we are going to do this again. I have systems and workflows. So I'm just going to go copy this, close that out. We're going to change up our social media template, systems, okay, and then the color to yellow. So the systems is going to have to be a different color. There we go. All right. So I changed it up and then enter data. We're going to clear the table. Guess I need to go get we're going to clear the table. Go back over here and then grab this. Okay. Okay. Got it. Sorry, we're going to go back here. We're going to name this tip, so let me know. Okay. Connect data tip. Since I didn't do the name, that's why I didn't do it this time. Everything's purple, 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 purple. We are going to go ahead and generate. Okay. And there we go. So basically, I did this in less than probably 10 minutes, just me showing things. But probably, between 5 to 10 minutes, you can get 30 of these done. And then all you need to do is just schedule them. And as you can see, I did 3 different sets of 10, and that just kind of breaks it up a little bit. When I'm scheduling all these, they don't look all the same, but they kind of do, and they're tips. So I would definitely do, daily tip, and then put in some other stuff on your social media as well, so they're not just, showing all these all at one time kind of thing. Okay, so there you go. That's how you do bulk create in social media.